Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to discuss with you some question answers of 2016. I have already given you some question answers according to the years, and I have also told you to write those question answers, and you have to copy them in the English one copy. But today I am going to discuss this type of question answers with you. This is the question paper, English 1 question paper of 2016. Okay, so I am just going to discuss with you the question answers. You please note down all the answers. Okay, I am pronouncing each and every, I am telling each and every question, and if you are not able to write it fast, then you can pause the video and then you write down the question and then write down the answer also. Okay, so let's start. First, there is a verb forms. Okay, there is a passage given and you have to write down the verb forms, the verbs given in the brackets, and you have to write down the proper forms of the verbs by reading the passage properly. Okay, and we have to understand the meaning of the passage first. So we are starting here. He was, first of all, here it is given gaze. So I have written here gazing. So why I am writing here gazing? Why? Because I have read the lines first. So let us read the line first. He was gazing at a couple of heron fishing in the muddy water. So it is past continuous tense. He was watching, or he was having a look of the heron. That is a kind of bird that that fish usually in the lakes or in the ponds. So he was gazing at a couple of heron. Here it is given fish. So we have to write down the verb form of fish, and we are writing here fishing. Fishing in the muddy water. When he felt. When he, here it is given feel, and the answer will be felt. When he felt something bump his elbow, full stop. Next, the sentence starting with the blank. Starts with a blank, okay. So, and the word given in the bracket is look. So, looking around. Looking around, he dash find at his side a little goat. So looking around, he found at his side a little goat, jet black and soft as velvet with lovely grey eyes. Full stop. Neither her owner nor her mother, neither or nor, according to the subject verb agreement, we have to use here was. Be verb, we have to use be verb here. Be verb is given in the bracket, so we are writing here was. Neither her owner nor her mother was around. She continued to nudge. To is given here. That means it is an infinitive. To is an infinitive, and after to, the forms of the verb never changes. So nudge will be only nudge. Continue to nudge Mukesh, so he looked in his pocket for nourishment. Okay, you got the passage? I will give you the snapshots also of the questions. Okay, you just write down the questions, and I am discussing the answers, and you will be able to write the answers quite easily. Okay, now next B. Fill in each blank with an appropriate word. You know, prepositions, we have to fill up these blanks with prepositions. So the first sentence given here is, there was a steep rise dash onion prices. There was a steep rise in onion prices. Number 2. Air pollution is responsible for the spread dash bronchitis. Bronchitis is a disease. Air pollution is responsible for the spread of bronchitis. He was dash pressure to complete the work. He was under pressure. Under is the most proper word, suitable word for this, suitable preposition for this. He was under pressure to complete the work. Joan jumped dash the river to rescue the child into. We know whenever something is going somewhere with force, with speed or in motion, we have to use into on that case. So John jumped into the river to rescue the child. His teacher is very pleased dash him, pleased with him. So here the answer will be with. Next question, Ali took dash his cap and wiped his face. So Ali took off. That means to remove the cap. Ali took off his cap and wiped his face. Next question, the old woman could not get dash the shock. Get over the shock. He should not get away with such rudeness. Okay, so we have filled up the blanks. Now come to the next segment. It is joining. Number C, it is joining. We have to join these sentences without using and, but or so. So the first question is given here. My grandfather is very old. He is very active. So contradictory idea has been given here. My grandfather is very old. He is very active. Then we might use here though. So we have to start the sentence with though. Though my grandfather is very old, he is very active. The answer will be though my grandfather is very old, he is very active. Number 2. Mala is not in the classroom. Mala is not in the library. So the same idea has been given here. The same idea has been given here. So the answer will be Mala is neither in the classroom nor in the library. Mala is neither in the classroom nor in the library. Next, she was so excited about her performance. Full stop. She could not sleep at night. So, the answer will be she was too excited about her performance to sleep at night. That she was so excited that she could not sleep at night. Okay. The next question given here. She was so excited. Mumbai is densely populated. First sentence, Mumbai is densely populated, full stop. It is one of the major cities in the country. So the answer will be Mumbai, which is densely populated, is one of the major cities in the country. Okay, I am repeating the answer. Mumbai, which is densely populated, is one of the major cities in the country. I will give you the snapshots of the answers. Okay. Now come to the next segment, that is do as directed. The do as directed part, the first question is, the book was so interesting that I could not put it down. You have to begin the sentence with the book was too, T-double-O. We have to use T-double-O. The book was too interesting to put down. Okay. Number 2, the principal said all the prizes will be distributed tomorrow. You have to begin the sentence with the principal said that. Often I have noticed when I check your copies in previous classes that you use this word begin. No, don't use this. This is the direction. The direction is given here that you have to begin or end the sentence with this thing because colon is given here. So you have to begin from here. Okay. So get the point quite clearly. So the next question is, the principal said all the prizes will be distributed tomorrow. So it is narration change, you know. So I taught you the narration change rules in my previous classes. So the answer will be, the principal said that all the prizes would be distributed the next day. Tomorrow becomes next day. We know that. Come to the next one. Last night's dinner was cooked for us by father. We have to begin with father. That means it is voice change. Okay. So the answer is, father cooked the dinner for us last night. Okay. Next, if Mary catches the first bus, she will be on time for school. You have to begin it with unless. Unless Mary catches the first bus, she will not be on time for school. Okay. Next one, in spite of having high fever, the girl came to school. We have to begin it with despite. So the answer will be, despite having high fever, the girl came to school. Next one, I prefer going out with friends to staying alone at home. To staying alone at home. Okay. Begin with I would rather. I would rather go out with friends than stay alone at home. Now come to the next one. It is, hardly had the teacher left the room when all the children started making a noise. So we have to begin with no sooner. We know that when we begin some sentence with no sooner, we have to use a did with the sentence. No sooner did the teacher leave the room than all the children started making a noise. Last one. This is the funniest movie I have ever seen. We have to begin it with never. Then the answer will be, never have I seen a movie as funny as this one. So here it is funniest. That means superlative degree has been used here. No, now we are making it in positive degree. We are using the word funny. That means we are making it positive degree. Okay. So that's all for today. You write down, note down all the things. Try to learn these things and try to understand all the things. Okay. Thank you.